We gonna also do sign hunting.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready?
Come on, Ronja. So Ronja and I are walking up to the outlook tower. That's gonna give us a fantastic view over Baden, Austria. Let's go! Let's do it! Well done. Well done, Ronja, well done. There is the... over there, that's the outlook tower. Ronja. Hello, look at these guys. Oh, we made it. Well done, Ronja, well done.
Yay! We made it! We made it! Yes!
You see?
Well done, you. Should we go down? Yeah.
So I think we both have to beat our fear of height, or I would say it's not really height. I would say it's fear of construction, because these buildings are always dodgy, always. But anyway, so we had to come up here. I was carrying Ronja, and that's what's gonna happen now. I need to carry her down, so it's really recording. It's impossible to see anything. Oh, and I can't really dog as well. Oh. So that's the construction. Horrible. Hey! You get the last bit here on your own. That's it. Hey, slower, slowly. We made it. So we had a little break now, and we are back outside, and we are doing the sign hunting project now. Yes! Sign hunters! It's me and Ronja, the team. Oh, and it's Handful is here as well. Apparently this is the way. This is the path we need to take. And it's gonna just drop us out in front of the sign. So, let's do it. You know when you speed up a record and you get this funny voice, and I was just thinking that let's try it. I'm gonna just speak.
Yes, yeah, almost at the sign, by the way. Instead of literally just like, I don't know, like probably a minute walk. So that's good. That's absolutely good. And people got it really well. I'm wondering actually how he's gonna do it now. But yeah, I can see the sign, yes! Fantastic.
Ronja, hey, oh, look at that! Sign hunters! Yes! Well done, mate. Hello. Yes, we've done it! Yes! We've done it! We've done it! Woo! See you later, guys! See you later!